Hey everyone, I'm Olivia, and today we're making these juicy and flavorful lemon herb shrimp skewers. Quick, easy, and perfect for any meal. Start by preheating your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Now take your shrimp, peeled and deveined, and carefully thread about 4 to 6 shrimp onto each skewer. Place all the skewers on a baking tray. Next, pour your lemon herb sauce all over the shrimp, making sure everything is nicely coated. Let it marinate for at least 15 minutes. This is where all that amazing flavor comes in. Now pop the tray into the oven and bake for about 4 to 8 minutes until the shrimp turn pink and perfectly cooked. Once done, take them out and garnish with fresh parsley and lemon slices. And that's it. Fresh, zesty, and absolutely delicious shrimp skewers. Perfect for dinner, BBQs, or a quick healthy meal. Try this and let me know how you like it. I'm Olivia, and I'll see you in the next recipe.